friends, welcome welcome to our live session. Daily we are at 7:30, we are coming online and interacting with you all. So hope you have a good learning experience so far, and we'll be starting the Python basics. So you can join us daily evening 7:30. This for the discussion. Anyway, tutorials and all we are frequently updating. Today morning we have added one tutorial. I will tell you about more about that also. And today also will not start directly coding on the Colab platform, but I will just show you how to read the preliminary tutorial, so you can get a good idea of it, and we'll start on the Colab. So friends, let me just my request is please like this discussion and hit the subscribe button also if you are not done so, and please tell your friends also to join daily 7:30, so you can ask me questions here, put your questions here or below the tutorials. We are frequently discussing all the technical issues, and we are focusing on Python data analysis like pandas, numpy and all. Now we are starting with the basics. Extensively we covered Kinter, the application development in using Kinter. So the desktop applications we have developed a lot by integrating with also with database, MySQL, SQLite and all the discussion details are available. You can just check them. And we are also in the web development area of PHP, MySQL, SQLite, JavaScript, jQuery, HTML. All this we discuss this. And please hit the like button and subscribe also. We'll start. I will show you some, and today morning we have uploaded about the areas what you have discussed where Python can use or Python can be used. It's not preferred but can be used. So two categorization we have done it. Say if it is web programming, we have put Python in the can be used. So many of you may, those who are working on Django areas and all may not agree. So no, they may say no, Python is quite good at web programming. That's true. But thing is, when you come to a classification, whatever we are doing it, we are giving it the which is the most popular. You think WordPress runs on PHP, that almost 43% of websites runs on WordPress in the internet, you can see, and you go to the Joomla and all, that is the other content management CMS or content management system, they also run in with PHP. So that is why we are classified PHP as the preferred language and Django as can do. So that is the idea behind us our classification. Like that other things also we have classified, but whereas data analysis and all comes, Python the ruler. So it is preferred language. That in depth we have uploaded today the tutorial. You can see that. Let me take you to the blog post so you can understand. Sorry, here it is. I hope you can. Yeah. So start with this home page. You can see this classification again. Below that video tutorial will come. I will place it here. So that's the one. Now here is all the IDs what you can. We have already discussed it yesterday. So once again all the IDs and use cases, the best ID. But ID doesn't matter for this particular thing. Why? Because we are going to cloud platform Google Colab. Why Colab? There are reasons, quite good reason. Here you can click this and go. Here it is, the Colab platform. So details, all details are there. You can read that. Use this. Below that, one more tutorial is there that I want you to first study that. Here it is. This is introduction to Colab. It's quite old when initially I have recorded this and put it here, but still works well and it's valid. I am in it tomorrow or day after. I will be uploading a fresh one with lot of content and all. And meanwhile, and today I have added one table here. It's see useful Google Colab commands. These are all outside the Python. Actually, these commands are different. These are not any Python as a language we will learn, but these are the commands which suppose you want to run a command as a command prompt, like a command you want to run it. How you will get a cloud platform? That is why this. Just read this through this list once, so that will give you an idea. And you may be knowing that using Colab we can go up to even integrate our database, learn queries and create Excel, CSV file, text file, many things we can do it. That's the idea behind that. So that I will show you. Now just to give you an introduction, you please study this entire page. This URL is there in the description below, so you can easily read this. All breakups are there. Just one read will give you a lot of ideas what is Colab, how it is. All the table of content is there. So many commands are also there. Advantage why Colab is used. Actually Colab is a Jupyter notebook only, but it is available in the cloud. That's the thing. And IPYNB file, so interactive Python notebook. So IPYNB, that's the extension of the file. You can download it and use it in .py also. Sorry, you must have seen also that earlier we have worked in Visual Studio Code. That's also a good platform to work with. Now let's go to Colab once. You can just go to Google and search for Colab. Okay, you need not type entire thing. I am just showing you how to enter Colab. You have clicked. Welcome to Colab. It's a Google Cloud platform. It's Google product. You just need a Gmail address or a Google account. That's all. It's freely available. You can use it. And your files are stored in the drive, in the Google Drive. The beauty is you can easily share it. Fine. You are in. I have just kept it is a dark mode. So it is a dark mode. What I can do is for this session, I am just not going in depth. I am just creating a new notebook. So this notebook, first time it will allot me resources. So a CPU and all, here it is. So right side you can see the connect one. So just connect it. Let's take some resources, then we will start. Here it is. File name I want to change. I will keep this, and menu is highly interactive menu. Yeah, now the RAM and disk uses it shows me here. Now let's say print. Sorry, it's a string. Fine. Now you just see this is a cell. There are two types of cell are there, code and text. I can just keep it, see, code and text. I am bringing mouse here. I can also use the insert here, everything, all these menus will do. So here I can do that one. Now to run this particular one, this is a code cell. It's not a text. I can, above that I can write a text also. What I will do, I will put a text here. I am writing it. Welcome to +2net Python classes. Fine. So this is a text. I'll click outside, the preview has come. Now what I will do, I will just move it up. So this has come here, welcome to Python classes, and below that this is not executable. This is like your comment. This is a text cell. This is a cell where I can execute the Python command. Now let's just, I click this button, hello world. So this particular statement is printed. So this is how our Python code works. In depth, giving you all the details of the Colab, I will tomorrow or day after I will upload the tutorial. That tutorial you watch. I am just giving you the introduction to this Colab. We will not discuss more, as I promised you. It's 10 minutes only. I come online at 7:30 and finish up by 7:40 or before that, already 2 minutes. So like that we will continue. I will upload in depth, and before that I just want you to read this blog. So this link is there in the description, so you can get a good idea what it is, why we are going for Colab, because I am just putting myself as you as a beginner. So for me, when initially I may face some problem, issue of installation, that is supported, this is not supported, that error message and all, nothing is here. It is possible because everything is cloud. I am not putting anything on my system. It's the Google Cloud Platform which is working. So that's the big advantage of it. No installation, some error is there, then I may face some problem. That is the band. And another advantage is I can share the files easily among my friends. Which I can send it to someone can check it, or what, I can receive some file with a already executed code and all. I need not have to attach it to a mail and send it. All those advantages puts cloud for beginners, for learners anyway. And if you are working on a complex project and all, then okay, that time you may think on whether to you go for cloud or come down to Visual Studio Code and all. And note that database integration is also possible. We will see subsequently to that. So that's all, friends. Let me just come back to here. Fine, that's the idea behind this today's session. So Hope you are having any doubt, idea, suggestion, questions on this particular. We will move it tomorrow. I will put you tomorrow. I will see. It's summer. I may have to change the room also. Is so now temperature is rising. So I will see if possible tomorrow or day after. I will upload the tutorial, and once the tutorial is there, you can read the tutorial in detail. Any doubt, suggestion, or any ideas, or any say you have some improvement plan, feel free to ask the questions below this or in the discussion. Hi Pratik, namaste. Thank you Pratik. So that is the idea behind this, the Colab. We'll do complex programs also with the Colab. So that's my idea. Thank you friends. I think we'll close the session today. Already 10 minutes over. We'll close the session today. Please, with a request that tomorrow also join us at 7:30 Indian Standard Time, evening hours. We come online to discuss, and tell your friends also to join. Please hit the like button, subscribe also, and hope you will join me tomorrow at the same time. And thank you friends. Thank you for watching.